Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Listening. Today I'll be sharing everything about my favorite food and why I enjoy it so much. Food is an important part of our daily lives. It gives us energy, keeps us healthy, and also brings people together. Different cultures around the world have different kinds of food, and every person has their own favorite dishes. Some people enjoy spicy food, while others prefer sweet or simple meals. Today I would like to talk about my favorite food and why it is so special to me. My favorite food is a simple but delicious dish that I enjoy eating at any time. It is rice with grilled chicken and vegetables. This meal may sound simple, but it is full of flavor and always makes me feel satisfied. Rice is a very common food in many parts of the world, especially in Asian countries. It is easy to cook, and it goes well with many different types of dishes. For me, rice has always been a part of my daily meals since I was a child. The grilled chicken is the main part of the dish. Chicken is a healthy source of protein, and it can be cooked in many ways. When it is grilled, it develops a wonderful flavor and a slightly crispy texture on the outside. Before grilling the chicken, it is usually marinated with simple ingredients. These ingredients may include garlic, soy sauce, a little salt, and sometimes honey or pepper. The marinade helps the chicken absorb the flavors and become more delicious. After the chicken has been marinated for a while, it is placed on the grill. As it cooks, the smell of the grilled meat slowly fills the air. The aroma is warm and inviting, and it always makes me feel hungry. While the chicken is cooking, vegetables are also prepared. Vegetables are an important part of the meal because they provide vitamins and nutrients that help keep the body healthy. Some common vegetables served with this dish include carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, and tomatoes. These vegetables add color, freshness, and balance to the meal. Sometimes there is also a small bowl of soup served with the meal. The soup is usually light and warm, which makes the meal feel more complete. One of the reasons I love this food is that it reminds me of home. When I was younger, my family often prepared similar meals for dinner. We would sit together around the table and enjoy the food while talking about our day. These moments created warm memories that I still remember today. Food is not only about taste. It is also connected to emotions, memories, and relationships. A simple dish can remind us of people we love and moments we shared together. Another reason I enjoy this meal is that it is balanced and healthy. The rice provides energy, the chicken provides protein, and the vegetables provide vitamins and fiber. Eating a balanced meal helps keep the body strong and active. Although this dish is simple, it can be prepared in many different ways. Some people add different sauces or spices to create new flavors. Others cook the chicken in different styles, such as roasting or frying. This flexibility makes the dish interesting and enjoyable every time. Sometimes I like to eat this meal at home. Cooking at home allows me to control the ingredients and create the exact flavor I like. Preparing the meal can also be a relaxing activity. Cutting vegetables, marinating the chicken, and cooking everything slowly can be a pleasant experience. At other times, I enjoy eating this dish at a restaurant or a small local food stall. Street food stalls often prepare grilled chicken in traditional ways that give the food a special taste. Watching the cook prepare the food can be interesting. The sound of the grill, the smell of the spices, and the sight of the food being cooked all create a lively atmosphere. When the dish is finally served, the presentation is simple but beautiful. A plate of warm rice sits next to the grilled chicken, surrounded by colorful vegetables. Sometimes there is also a small bowl of sauce on the side. The sauce may be slightly sweet, salty, or spicy. Dipping the chicken into the sauce adds another layer of flavor to the meal. Another wonderful thing about this food is that it can be enjoyed at many different times. It is perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a quick meal during a busy day. The dish is satisfying but not too heavy, which makes it comfortable to eat. Food also plays an important role in culture. Different regions have their own cooking styles and ingredients. Learning about food from different cultures can help us understand the world better. When we try new foods, we also experience new traditions and flavors. Even though I enjoy trying different foods from around the world, I always return to my favorite meal. Its simple taste and comforting feeling make it special to me. Another interesting thing about food is how it brings people together. Sharing a meal with family or friends creates opportunities for conversation and connection. Many important moments in life happen around a dining table. People celebrate birthdays, holidays, and special occasions by sharing food. Even simple meals can become meaningful when they are shared with others. My favorite food may be simple, but it carries many memories and emotions. Every time I eat it, I feel a sense of comfort and happiness. It reminds me of family dinners, friendly conversations, and peaceful moments. In today's busy world, people sometimes forget to slow down and enjoy their meals. They may eat quickly while working or looking at their phones. However, food should be more than just something we consume quickly. It should be an experience that we appreciate. Taking time to enjoy a meal allows us to taste the flavors, notice the textures, and feel gratitude for the food we have. When I eat my favorite meal, I try to slow down and enjoy every bite. In the end, everyone has their own favorite food. It may be a traditional dish from their culture, a meal their parents cooked when they were young, or something they discovered later in life. What makes a food special is not only the ingredients but also the memories and feelings connected to it. For me, rice with grilled chicken and vegetables will always remain my favorite food. It is simple, delicious, comforting, and full of meaning. And every time I eat it, I am reminded that sometimes the simplest things in life bring the greatest happiness.